The design inspiration for this mobile Apple cabin, it originates from the pursuit of quality of life by modern urbanites. And the maximization of space utilization, it not only has the functions of traditional houses, it also incorporates modern technological elements. Let the occupants enjoy a comfortable life at the same time. You can also feel the convenience brought by technology. First of all, the overall area of this mobile Apple cabin is 36 square meters. Although it may not seem large, but the internal space is designed very reasonably. The layout of 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, it can meet the housing needs of a family. It can also be used as an ideal home for single people. Each room is equipped with a wide floor-to-ceiling window design, ensuring sufficient sunlight. Let the occupants feel close to nature. Secondly, this mobile Apple cabin is made of aviation aluminum. It has the characteristics of lightweight, high strength, anti-corrosion, and anti-rust. This material not only makes the Apple cabin more lightweight, also easy to transport and install. It can also effectively resist the erosion of various harsh environments, ensuring the personal safety of the occupants. In addition, design of refrigerator-grade thermal insulation wall. Let this mobile Apple pod, having the ability to provide a warm environment for residents in the cold winter, in the heat of summer, bringing cool temperatures to residents. It is worth mentioning that when this mobile Apple cabin leaves the factory, the fine decoration has already been completed. Residents no longer need to undertake tedious renovation work. Just connect the water, electricity, and sewage. You can check in directly. This convenient way to check in, let the occupants able to enjoy a comfortable life faster. The key is that it can also be shipped to various parts of the world. So do you like the mobile Apple pod like this?